I wanted to see if AI tools are actually good enough to replace a full-time job. So I gave myself a challenge: could I complete an entire 9-to-5 workday using only AI? From writing emails to creating graphics, analyzing data to managing meetings. I tested 5 tools to find out. Here's how it went. 9 a.m. Email and task planning. I start the day like most office workers, checking emails and making a to-do list. For this, I used Superhuman AI, a premium AI email assistant. It summarized long email threads, drafted polite replies, and even scheduled follow-ups automatically. Then I used Taskade AI to organize the day, breaking big goals into bite-sized chunks using natural language. Within 10 minutes, I had my inbox cleared and a full schedule laid out. Efficiency score? 9/10. 10 a.m. Writing a blog post or article. Next up, content creation. I used Writesonic to write a full blog post. I gave it a basic prompt like, top 3 ways to increase productivity using AI, and it generated a 900-word draft in seconds. I cleaned it up with Grammarly AI, which rewrote weak sentences, fixed tone issues, and polished the grammar. If I were being paid to write, this would have been 90% done in 15 minutes. I rate this combo 10 out of 10. 11 a.m. Graphic design task. Now for something creative. I used Kittl, a Canva alternative that uses AI to generate logos, social media posts, and posters. With just a few words, it gave me a batch of designs I could tweak in browser. I added titles, changed colors, and resized formats automatically. For someone who isn't a designer, it felt pro level. 8.5/10, especially useful for content creators and marketers. 12 p.m. Data and research task. Let's say I had to research a topic and pull key stats. I used Genei, a powerful AI that summarizes articles, PDFs, and web pages. I loaded 3 articles on AI in education and asked Genei to summarize and compare them. It gave me bulleted points, citations, and key quotes, all in under 5 minutes. It's not just a time saver. It's a brain extender. 9/10 for research-heavy jobs. 1 p.m. Taking a break, with AI too. Yes, even breaks were AI-assisted. I used Endel AI to generate personalized focus and relaxation soundscapes. I also asked ChatGPT to give me 3-minute meditations based on stress and focus levels. It's weirdly helpful, not necessary, but cool. 7/10 bonus points for helping mental clarity. 2 p.m. business presentation time to act like a manager. I needed a PowerPoint-style pitch deck. I used Tome.app, an AI that builds presentations using text prompts. I typed, create a 5-slide deck on launching an AI productivity startup, and in seconds, I had a complete slideshow with titles, layout, and even image recommendations. I added some data from earlier and exported it. Honestly, it was impressive. 9/10 game changer for entrepreneurs and freelancers. 3 p.m. customer support simulation. I wanted to test how AI could handle live customer service. So I used Tidio AI, a chatbot that handles real-time website questions. I fed it sample facts and watched it respond with tailored answers. It handled 90% of questions without me stepping in. Pair this with Zapier or Make.com, and you can fully automate customer emails and support tickets. 8/10 real potential for solopreneur. 4 p.m. video script plus voiceover. To wrap the day, I needed a YouTube video, just like this one. I used ChatGPT for the script, yes, like this, then ran it through Pictory to generate the video with stock footage and AI voice. It was 90% hands-off and still high quality. If you're a YouTuber or content creator, this combo is your dream team. 10 out of 10. 5 p.m. final thoughts. Can AI replace a full-time job? Not entirely, but it can absolutely handle 70 to 90% of the average day's tasks. And if you're a freelancer, solo entrepreneur, or student, this can give you superpowers. These tools aren't here to take your job. They're here to make you better at it. If you like this breakdown, let me know in the comments, and subscribe for more AI tool experiments every day. Thanks for watching.